Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tab Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the colors for your Snapchat brushes. Snapchat has done a big update on this feature. There's a lot of new options, so let's go ahead and get into it. First of all, I'm going to flip the camera around here. We'll snap a quick photo. And then we're going to tap on the brush tool, the second one down on the top right. Now you'll notice the main brush color picker is the same here. So we can use this like we normally would, dragging our finger up and down. We can also pull across the screen to get darker colors in that range. So what I'm doing is moving my finger to the left side of the screen, and this is giving us like a darker color within this range. We can also move our finger all over the screen and get different tones of green. Or move it back to the picker, go on blue, and move it anywhere on the screen to get different tones of blue. I'm just going to go to like the normal red again. Also, while we're here, remember you can pinch your fingers, make them bigger and smaller on the screen. And that's going to allow you to change the brush size. The new feature that they've added is this colors icon below the color bar. So you'll see three little circles that sort of overlap a little bit. And you can tap on that to get different color wheels. So this is like a muted color wheel. You can get some nice muted greens here. We can also pull across and drag on the screen on these two to get different variations of this if we want like a darker muted green there. And we can tap on this color wheel again and again, and it sort of cycles through all of the different styles. So we have like a neon style here, some bright neon colors. We have black and white, so that's nice because a lot of people didn't know how to get to black and white before. You can also, on this main color wheel, drag to the top to get white, drag to the bottom to get black. But we now have the full black and white wheel, and that'll also allow us to get some grays easily. But there you have it, the different color options. I kind of like these muted styles here. The neon is also really nice. That'll allow you to get some nice neon colors there. But I think the muted ones are pretty cool. Reminds me of like Easter colors. But there you have it, the new color options for the brush tool within the Snapchat app. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay, don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last. So go